Hey guys, so today I am here with the Camlin brush pen. Camlin brush pen that you can use for the brush calligraphy. I have a pack of 24 sheets, pack of 12 and 6 is also available. So let's see we can use this for calligraphy and for what more purpose. It comes with a flexible tip. So we are provided with beautiful shades and great packaging. Grey is also there which we can use to add shadow. It has a flexible tip. So let's start with the black one. You can see thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes clearly, but it's not that easy because the brush tip is very soft, but you can get better with practice. Now I'm using second shade that is red. You can use this brush pen for drawing and other art. It's very easy to draw this leaf pattern because of the soft tip. And it's looking beautiful. Now we will see if we can blend or mix these brush pens. I'm using red and yellow. First we will see the original color. I'm using tip over tip method. And it's beautifully blended. I'm seriously loving it. Now to get the original color back, just do like this. Yeah. So these brush pens are a great deal at this price and I would definitely recommend this. You can use it for various purposes. So it's a thumbs up from my side. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.